Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use the for loop in C. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Exotic Snowflake. The link will be in the description. So before we start, if you guys want this online C compiler which I'm using, then the link will be in the description so you can get it. So now let's start. So whenever we start the program, we have to include the library. So uh, ash include and then stdio.h. Make sure this name of the library, which is stdio.h, should be in more and less symbol, like this. And now go to the next line and put int name and then brackets. So it will start the program when we click on this run button. Now go to the next line, open a curly brackets and click on enter. Now we first need an integer. I'm going to use a. So put int and then a space and then a. And then close the statement with the semicolon. And then go to the next line. And then put, since we are using the for loop, we will put for, since we are starting the loop now, and then a space and then brackets, and then we put first give the integer a value. So I'll give a and then equal to sign and then another space, and then I'm going to put like 1, and then close that statement inside of that bracket. So the value of a is 1. Now after this semicolon, click on space and put a and then this less sign and then equal to sign and then the number. So it's 5. So that means if since we are not using if, we are using for. But if but for like saying that if this uh, if this integer is less than a number, if the value of the integer is less than a number, then we use this code whenever we are using the for loop. Then another semicolon and a space. Now put a plus plus and don't need to put and then you don't have to put a semicolon. So a plus plus means a plus 1. So what would happen is, since the value of a is 1, it will first check if it's less than 5. If it's 5, then it will add the value of a by 1 until it is more than 5. Now you don't have to close this statement completely with the semicolon. What you do is you go to the next line, you open the curly brackets and click on enter. So you'll get like this, and then type in print f and then and then normal brackets, and then put percent %d and then put another type of slash and then n Then after this, just right before the brackets, put a comma and then put C and then close this sentence. And now right after the end brackets of the for loop, go to the next line and put return 0 and close that statement with a semicolon. So return 0 will mean that it will end the program after this finishes is its work. Otherwise, if it does not finish its work, it will loop this code again and again until it finishes the work. Now, if we click on run, if we click on this run, now it's compiling the program, and then right. So instead of putting C, you have to put A because it's the integer. So click on run. Now, now you guys can see that it's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not actually counting. It's just adding, uh, adding the value of the integer by 1 until it is more than 5. So this more than 5 also means like equal to 5 also. So that's why it stopped at 5 itself. So this is how to use the for loop. Um, if you want this online C compiler which I'm using, then the link will be in the description. And if you want if you want to check my channel, my main channel, then the link will be in the description. So go and see it. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel also. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.